Good morning, dear students. I shall be doing some exercises from review exercise, page number 38. Question number 3. Ragini spent rupees 38,450 on a computer, rupees 11,750 on a printer, and rupees 4,570 on a DVD player. How much money did she spend? So, if I add the three amounts, it will give the total amount spent on the three articles. We have to find the total amount spent on three articles. I have drawn a place value chart. In the first row, I shall write the money spent on the computer. Money spent on computer is 38,450. So writing the number from the back side, I shall write 05483. Money spent on the printer, that is 11,750. Again, I shall write this number from the back side, 057 and 1. Money spent on the DVD player, 4,570. So writing the number from the back side in the place value chart. Now let us add the three numbers. Here you can see in ones place 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. There is no carry forward. In tens place 5 plus 5 plus 7, you have to do some rough work. 5 plus 5 plus 7, it is 17. So 7 I shall write here. 1 is carried forward to the next place. In the next place, 4 plus 7 plus 5, 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus the carry. So it will give us 4 plus 7, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 1, 17. So 7, this will be carried forward to thousands place. 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, it is 14. 1 will be carried forward to 10,000s place, and 4 I have to write here. 1 plus 3 plus 1, this is 5. 1000 period is over here. So 5 I should write below. Thousands period is finished here, so I have to put 1 comma. Total amount spent equal to this much. You have to do the rough work in the right side of the page as I have shown you. Here I have very less place, so I am doing my rough work in this small area only. We will begin a new lesson, subtraction, lesson number 4. I will be doing activity 4 for explaining subtraction. Activity 1 is nothing but the revision from your previous class. Question number 1. Write the numbers in vertical columns and subtract. So here you should know that the number from which we are going to subtract is called minuend. So it is this number from which we are going to subtract is minuend, and the number which is subtracted is subtrahend. It is subtrahend and this is minuend. From this number we have to subtract this. For subtraction and write in vertical column, what we have to do? We have to draw a place value chart. I have drawn it already, and put the numbers in the place value chart. This number here 6, 5, 4, 6. The second number we are going to subtract. So 8, 4, 1 and 3. The first row I have kept blank. I shall keep it some blank space. You will know why. Now we shall subtract this number from this number. Here you can see we cannot subtract 8 from 6, as 6 is a smaller number than 8. Then what we have to do? I have to borrow 1 from the next place, that is from tens place. From 5 I am borrowing 1 and this number becomes 16. As I have taken 1 from 5, it will become 4. So I shall write this in this place. Now 1's place it has become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So when I subtract 3148 from 6456, I get value 3308. Question number 3 from activity 1. Ravi bought a watch and a video game for rupees 6,885. The cost of the watch is rupees 2,875. What is the cost of the video game? So to find the cost of the video game, what we have to do? We have to subtract the cost of the watch from total cost of the video and the watch. Video game and the watch. Again I have drawn one place value chart. Enter the digits from the back side. In ones place 5, 8, 8, 6 and 5, 7, 8 and 2. Now subtract the numbers. You get 5 minus 5 is 0. We can do this because these two digits are equal. Then we can subtract and its result will be 0. If this is smaller than this, then only we have to borrow. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 8, these two are equal. So no need to borrow. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, the cost of the video game is rupees 4010. Let us do some subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Activity 2. Question number 1. Subtract. Question number C I have taken for explanation. 77,777. From this number we have to subtract 42,424. So here 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. So my answer is 35,353. Then we shall go to question number 1, E. We have to subtract 45,454 from 60,000. From 60,000 we have to subtract 45,454. For this I have drawn the place value chart. This is a minuend and this is subtrahend. Here 0 is less than 4. So we have to borrow 1 from its next place. We cannot take 1 from 0 because we cannot take 1 as 0 is less than 1. We cannot borrow anything from 0. Just keep this in your mind. Then we shall check for the next place, that is also 0. We cannot borrow here. We go to the next place. This is also 0. Then we shall move to the next place. It is 6. So we can borrow 1 from 6. So it will be, if I borrow 1 from 6, it will be 5. As I have taken 1 from 6, 6 will become 5. As I have taken 1, it becomes 10. From 10, I shall take 1, it becomes 10. This will become 9. From this to this, again I shall take 1, it becomes 10 and it becomes 9. From this number 10, I am borrowing 1 to 1's place, it becomes 10, this becomes 9. Therefore, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So if we subtract this number from 60,000, the result will be this.